asking who's your fucking daddy here. Trying to get in a little riding time before it starts to fucking rain. And it's supposed to be clear this whole fucking weekend. I wake up this morning, looks like this, look at the weather, and it's non-stop rain for the next like fucking 8 days. Starting at about 3 o'clock p.m. as per the Weather Channel. So we will see. Yeah, buddy. Let me get to a spot where I can pull over. Gonna do a quick little go over of the bike. I know you guys saw it if you watched my very first video of me getting in a little accidente. Probably saw it then, but I'm gonna do another quick walkover of it. Here she is. It's a 2015 Suzuki GSX S750Z, if you want to add the Z on there. Gorgeous bike, man. I love it. It's my first sports bike. I enjoy the hell out of it. But yeah, there she is, man. There she is. Do a little walk around of it. Yeah. Took the muffler off. You know, loud pipes save lives. I'm cheap, so I didn't want to buy a cool little shorty pipe. Just fucking leave it that way. Sounds fucking good. I like it. As you can see, there's a little bit of the aftermath of that little accident. That's really the only spot. Oh, and the handlebars got bent, but I replaced them. Oh, and the little brake lever. It's good. Replace that bad boy. That was good. But yeah, there she is, man. There she is. Beautiful bike. I love it. It's kind of dirty right now, but hell yeah. All right, let's continue this. Yeah. So, it's about to rain, so I'm going to kind of make this quick. This part of it, at least. I have about a month of videos that I've kind of been compiling, so I'm going to find my favorite parts and put them all together, and that's going to be my first MOTOVLOG. So I apologize for, you know, I'm in one place and all of a sudden it cuts to a different place, but that's how it's going to be. But I hope you guys enjoy my video, my very first one. There will be plenty more to come. Ooh, so, let's talk about what's going around on Facebook lately. The gay marriage across the United States. What do you guys, how do you feel? What do you think? Let me know, comment. My personal opinion, I don't know, man. I don't know. You know, sometimes it's like, whatever, I don't give a fuck, let it, you know, let people do what they want to do. But then, on the other hand, I grew up in a Christian family. I mean, I believe in God and Satan and heaven and hell and all that, you know. I'm a Christian. Don't hate me. And, you know, it's a sin. You know, in the Bible it says marriage is for one man and one woman, not the other way around, a man and a man or a woman and a woman. So I don't know, man. I don't know. I feel kind of two things about it, you know, like whatever, and it's fucking wrong. But you know that's not up to me. Deal with that. When they get to heaven, God's gonna be like, "Hey, bro, shit's fucking sin," you know. Who knows? Maybe it's not. I don't know, man. I don't know. But what are you guys' opinions on it? I'd like to know. I don't know if this looks familiar or not. but this is where the accident happened. Yes, sir. This is where it happened. Right here. Oh, shit! I need some gasoline. Yep, right here. Right here. This is where it happened. About right. I think this is where I went through water. I don't know. I don't remember. Then the yield sign and the motherfucker stopped. Stupid son of a bitch. Hello. Oh dear. Dumbasses. I guess people don't understand the four-way stop, huh? What hit my foot? What hit my foot? What was that? My wallet's still there. That's all I care about. Unless there was a bolt or something that flew off. I'm gonna die. Oh yeah, you can smell that rain. Nice and wet. I don't know. I think yeah, it's coming from behind. Coming from the north. Maybe I don't know. Is that the north? I don't know. I'm from Colorado, so the mountains are my compass. Mountains are always to the west. Here, I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm going south, but I may be wrong. Yeah, I'm going south. Yeah. 'Cause this is towards work. The work is south. So, hey, what's up, bro? Love it, man. Fucking love it. Motorcycle atmosphere is fucking great, dude. If you don't own one, fucking get one, man. It's a great feeling. Yeah, it's fucking dangerous and shit, but fuck it, dude. You only live once, right? Well, maybe. I don't know. Maybe you believe in a reincarnation. But I bet you $1,000,000 if you do come back and reincarnation is legit, you ain't gonna come back another fucking person. You're gonna come back a goddamn cockroach and get fucking squished. Depending on how much of a dick you were in the past life or whatnot, I don't know. Yep, talking about some weird shit, I don't know. Weird noises. Weird noises. Oh my god. Why are lights so long? It's hot and humid. You stupid motherfucker. What the fuck are you doing? Boop. Oh, my turn signal's on. That's great. Lock that bitch up. Alright, guys. Just kidding. Thank you very much for watching. Watching, not washing. God. Fucking idiot. Hope you enjoyed my very first video, and I will see you guys motherfucking next time. Ka-choo.